Welcome back. In our last video, we introduced the basics of programming and discussed the importance of learning JavaScript. Today, we'll set up our JavaScript environment and write our first simple program. One of the simplest ways to start coding in JavaScript is by using the browser console. Every modern web browser like Chrome or Firefox comes with a built-in JavaScript console. Open your browser, right-click on the page and select Inspect, or press Ctrl and Shift and I. Navigate to the Console tab. Here, you can type JavaScript code directly and see the results immediately. Type console.log, hello world. This line of code uses console.log to print hello world to the console. While the browser console is great for quick tests, you'll need a more robust tool for writing longer scripts and projects. Visual Studio Code, or VS Code, is a free, powerful code editor. Go to the Visual Studio Code website. Download the installer for your operating system. Run the installer and follow the prompts to install VS Code. Let's write our first JavaScript program. In VS Code, go to File, then New File, and save it as hello.js. In this file, we'll write a simple program that prints a message to the console. Hello world. This line of code uses console.log to print hello world to the console. To run this code, we need to use the terminal. Open the terminal in VS Code by navigating to Terminal tab, then New Terminal. Navigate to the directory where you saved your file using the cd command. Once you're in the correct directory, type node hello.js and press enter. You should see hello world printed in the terminal. This means our program ran successfully. Today, we set up our development environment using the browser console and Visual Studio Code, and we wrote and ran our first JavaScript program. In the next video, we'll dive deeper into JavaScript syntax, including variables and data types. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss it. If you have any questions or ran into any issues, leave a comment below, and I'll be happy to help. Don't forget to like the video if you found it helpful. See you next time.